Mm-hmm. Right? Is that a forest? What are we watching?
Goofy.
Who's he got? Is that Baby Redbird? Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite?
Baby.
Who? Who's your favorite?
Baby.
I don't even know who that is.
Baby.
Oh, Baby Redbird? Not Goofy? Goofy or Mickey? Which one do you like better?
Baby.
Baby Redbird? Can you say Baby Redbird? Can you say anything like Toodles? Is that Toodles? What's her name?
Blueberry.
Blueberries, yeah. You like blueberries? Are they going to feed Baby Redbird blueberries? Can you say yes?
Mickey Blueberry.
Mickey's blueberries?
Goofy Blueberry.
Goofy's blueberries. Oh, what's that guy doing? See? What's he doing? What are those? You know your birthday's coming up, right? What do you want for your birthday? Yo, Nut. What do you want for your birthday? Do you get presents? Who do you love? Hey, do you want me to turn Mickey off? Okay.
No.
Well, who do you love?
Mommy.
Good job. Who else? Who else do you love?
Mommy.
And?
Mommy.
Only Mommy? Do you love Lou? Do you love Daddy? Do you love Daddy? Hey, do you love Daddy?
Daddy.
Do you love Daddy? Who do you love?
Daddy.
And? Who else?
Daddy.
And? You also love Mommy.
Mommy.
Yeah, this is why you got Daddy in trouble. It's because you didn't say Mommy.
Daddy.
Okay, so who do you love?
Daddy.
And? Who else?
Daddy.
I like your shirt.
Puppy.
Is a puppy on there? What color's your shirt?
Red.
What color's your shirt? Hey, what color's this?
Puppy blue.
Yeah, puppy blue shirt. All right. Well, you got anything else to say? Yeah, you want to watch birds on TV? What are they called? What do you want to watch? Hey, what do you want to watch? Yo, Nut. What do you want to watch? All right, I think I'm gonna have to turn Mickey off.
Medium.
Okay, what do you want to watch on Daddy's computer?
Medium.
This wasn't your best work. Can I at least have a kiss? Thank you. Okay, I love you. Today was I don't know, July 10th, somewhere around there.